Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can post pictures on your Instagram on your iPhone. Well, it's very easy, so all you need to do is simply open the Instagram application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and in here you can see this is my account, from where you can simply tap on the plus icon that you can see in the top left corner of your phone right here. And after doing that, here you can see your gallery will be opened, from which you can now select the photos that you want to post. So if you simply tap on one photo, here you can see you can now post this particular photo. But if you want to select multiple photo, you can tap on this option select right here. And then you can now share more photos. Tap on OK. And in here, you can now select multiple photos. Just like this, I have selected two different photos. And now I'm going to tap on next right here. So after doing that, here you can see you can now customize new filters for every mode. That basically means you can edit your photos. Simply tap on OK. And now in here, you can edit your photos however you want. If you tap on this edit option right here, you can now adjust your photo, brightness, contrast, structure, warmth, saturation, and much more. When you're done, you can tap on done. And in here, you can also overlay, you can add text, and you can do many more. So in here, you can also see the option of audio. If you want to add audio to your photos, you can tap on the option audio right here and select the audio of your desire. Just like this, I have selected an audio. You can tap on this button right here. And we have now successfully added a audio to our photos. And now tap on next again. And here, tap on OK. And if you want to add any captions, you can do that by simply tapping on it and writing down any captions that you want. And in here, you can also tag people, add locations, any poll if you want, or you can even add any prompt. And when all of it is done, you can simply tap on share. And just like this, you tap on yes again. And just like this here, you can see your image is now being posting. And within few minutes, here you can see we have successfully posted pictures on Instagram. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.